The Amazon rainforest constitutes 54% of the world's rainforest. It covers some 2.5 million square miles, 9 countries, and produces 20% of the world's oxygen. Hi, this is Rick Curtis, and this Leadership Minute is brought to you from deep within the Amazon rainforest, some 50 miles from Iquitos, Peru. There are riches here in the Amazon. 1/3 of the bird species on the planet reside here. Half of all species of plants, some 10 million, live here. Over 3,000 different edible fruits are here in the forest, yet only 200 of them are known to the Western world. It is estimated that approximately 50 tribes of undiscovered peoples live deep in this forest. We can learn from the Amazon. Every tributary, every trail leads to new and exciting discoveries. When was the last time you uncovered the wealth of information that you have within your people? As a leader, you should explore your people as you would the Amazon. What new wealth, what information can you gather by sitting with them, talking with them, discovering and learning from them? If you're going to be the best leader that you can be, it begins with the intentional discovery of your people's gifts and talents. Begin the adventure today.